In India, the Vivo X Fold3 Pro, which comes in celestial black and has 16GB RAM and 512GB of storage, cost Indian rupees 1,59,999 and it's sold through Vivo's official Indian website, Flipkart and retail partner stores. In Indonesia, the Vivo X Fold3 Pro comes in a single 16GB or 512GB configuration, but you get two color options, Eclipse Black and Solar White. It's priced at Indian rupees 1,38,430 rupees and is available through Vivo's Indonesian website. The Vivo X Fold3 Pro is Vivo's first foldable smartphone to launch outside China, and it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and runs Android 14 based Funtouch OS 14 and packs a 5700 mAh battery with 100W charging support. The X Fold3 Pro's 120Hz LTPO AMOLED folding display measures 8.03 diagonally and has a 2408x2 200 pixel resolution, while the 120Hz cover display, also an LTPO AMOLED type, has a 6.53-inch diagonally and a 2748x1172 pixel resolution. The folding smartphone features two 32MP selfie cameras, one on each screen, and three rear cameras, 50MP primary, 50MP ultra-wide and 64MP periscope telephoto. It also has ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner embedded in both screens. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.